So I actually got the inspiration to actually make this video because I came across a set of students that were actually still confusing this concept to sickle cell disease. All right, I asked them to actually define sickle cell disorder, and they were giving me a definition of what sickle cell anemia. Okay, and the other one was giving me a definition of sickle cell disease. All right, and basically this is kind of like different. Okay, so just write short notes on what the sickle cell disorder, so that when they ask you to define what is a sickle cell disorder, you'll be able to what do it. All right, so you see red blood cells. Okay, like I said, what you see the sickle cells are basically what sickle shaped. Okay, so let's define what is actually the disorder. Okay, the disorder is kind of like different from what anemia. Of course, it's a disorder that what gives rise to anemia. All right, but they are two different concepts. Okay, they're interrelated, but their definitions way like different. All right, so sickle cell disorders can be defined as any condition in which there is an inheritance of an S hemoglobin gene. All right, so there's inheritance of S hemoglobin gene, sickle cell disorder. So that means the individual can be AS or SS. All right. While in sickle cell anemia, the individual must be SS. Now, do you know the difference between sickle cell disorders and sickle cell anemia now? All right. So now, in a normal adult, for instance, the hemoglobin is HbA, that's alpha 2 beta 2. But in these individuals, that's individuals that have a sickle cell disorder, there is an S gene inheritance, okay, resulting in a hemoglobin S, okay. So you see here, basically we having that's other problems, okay, other problems like yeah, this is the problems in sickle cell anemia, that's sickle cell disease. All right, the individual must have an SS, but in talking about the general disorder, the person can even be AS. Okay, so I think that's just all. Now, sickle cell disorders include sickle cell anemia, right? So, sickle cell anemia is like a type of sickle cell disorder. You could also include sickle cell disease. You can also include your sickle cell traits. Sickle cell trait, that's when you're talking about AS now. You have AS, you have one S. That means you have a trait. If you marry a partner that have AS too, you guys have a 20. Is it 25%? Yeah, you guys have a 25% chance of what? Giving birth to children that have SS, right? And that's where the problem starts from. So always go for genetic what? Counseling. All right. So that's it about sickle cell disorder. See you guys.